Hello guys, it's Cooking Finn here. Today we are doing bacon, potato and very nice Greek yogurt sauce. Let's begin. Cut up some green onion, cut it very finely so you can use it for the sauce. I cut it very fine, yeah. Once cut, put it in the Greek yogurt. And then next up we will take some parsley. Cut it up really fine as well. And after you have cut it, put it in the Greek yogurt. Next up, take some basil and cut it up really finely too, and also put it in the Greek yogurt. It makes it taste very good, yeah. After that, do some mixing and mix it very well. Next, take one clove of garlic, smash it, cut it very fine, but not into a paste. And add it to your Greek yogurt also. It makes it taste very good. And after that, do some mixing also. After that, smash your lid in and chill it in the fridge. Next up, we are gonna cut some potatoes. I like to cut them very small so they cook quickly and are nicer to eat. Now put some water in the pan and in your bacon and let that bacon boil there for some time. After that, add in your potatoes, let them boil also, let the water boil. After the water is boiled, the bacon fat will be melted and it will make the potatoes very nice. Once they are ready, put them in a plate, add in some blue cheese. I also added some Emmental and cheddar cheese, and after that I will put foil over the plate so the cheese will melt and it will be very good. I'll also do some mixing so the cheese is very mixed in there. Yeah. Now adding the foil to the plate. And now I will cut some more green onion for garnish to the final dish. When you think it's ready, open the foil. I had it for there maybe like 5 minutes or so. Now add in the green onion And after that, add your Greek yogurt sauce. It will make it taste very good. And I like to add rest of the green onion to the top of the sauce so it looks nicer. Yeah. And here you have a very easy and fast meal to do, which tastes very good, very good. And you can change bacon for like ground beef, then it got high protein also. And lastly, here is just a photo of the final meal. If you liked this video, subscribe and like, and comment down below what recipes you would like to see.